How is that gonna work, everyone? Here you go.
You're gonna have to hold the other thing. You have to hold the nail.
I do not think so.
On the side right next to it.
Huh, not bad.
Like that.
Oh, even this one like this, right? Change this to, hold on, I gotcha. You can't. I like challenge and you can't challenge me.
Got it.
I should thinking at first.
Sure, over too. The 3D brush.
Sorry, everyone. See, it's good that you see me doing it and something that I said, okay. Great. Gotcha.
Move over. Stay right there. Alright, that worked. Move down. There you go.
So stringy. I'm excited with this nails though. Do on the other end. This is for you to doing it like if you are doing a press on, glue on nails to ship it or to have the clients pick it up. So then you don't miss, like I say, like I'm really miss the clients though, but I'm not trying not to like whine about that. It looks not bad at all because it's gonna look so much better when I take off the nails though. Here for 30-second flash gear because I'm gonna do crystal placements on that. Thank you so much, the glam girl. Thank you, sweetie. Hey, money back. Emily's. This is a golden touch. I'm so excited to see like all of you create with a set of, and then I was sharing with you what you need to basic with the back. Even like if it's some of you start doing it now, great. Can I get that tray back, please?
Just done.
All of them. Maybe the frame. Number 4, because we have that on the end. This is number 4. This
No.
number
First
5.
five.
Okay. I want to make sure you get in the right side. All right. Condensed glue gels again, everyone. And oh, wrong brush. That's a 3D brush. We need this brush, twin tip brush. And I didn't pay attention, but if you look at that, if you grab the wrong ones, the thick band is for twin tip brush on the side to apply the gels. Hold on, it doesn't stay.
You have something on already?
Yeah. No, it just challenged me. Okay. Great. And then the first time you're using condensed glue gel, is it normal to feel really thick density, as you see? It's not going anywhere. And I am going to do it again. There's no white top coat. It's only sharing with the beginners or with all of you who is would like to add some techniques, crystal placements on your menu or service, or even your press on or glue on nails. Some clients just want plain, natural, simple set, but we have a lot of clients. It's our clients in our.
We'll be right back. Alrighty. Say hi to Instagram.
Hello Instagram, welcome back. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning back in. This is some of like really a simple set that you can able to do in ideas. And then also I can't wait because like we'll continue to support. Like on Monday we'll do different set, and hopefully we can able to go back to work soon. But also I will not rush since it's not make sure that it's safe, because you have all your family and people who love around you. That you want to protect, you know. I just use this randomly on that one. And if you want more, you can add it more on. Great, and now you're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Looks so much better. It's like without. I am excited because the next set, condensed, yes. Next set I'm gonna do. I can't wait. I wanna do like. Okay, this is a really cool set. I'm gonna do a next like. On Monday we should do some butterflies. And usually when I do for press on and glue on, I usually do all of like 4 nails, like 6 nails. I do 2 of them. Like I would do 2 of this first and 2 of this and 2, and then done with all the designs, and then I'll polish all the rest of the nails. Like with this one I would do 6 of them first. I do these 2 together, this 2 together, and this 2, and then set inside, and then after that I polish all of them. Like it doesn't take, you know, much when you polish all of them at the same time. But crystal placement on this, because the clients love it. And also it's, I don't know how it's your you know, with the clients, like sometimes they get this and said, oh my god, Nancy, can I bling more of this ones? Can you bling it? And how much you're gonna be charged? And it's really depend on you. If you want to be, if the clients want to bling 2 more, then it's gonna cost you like $15 or $20 or more to bling another 2 like similar to this. It's really depend on how you price and charge it. But at least this set like this with 20 nails, and you should start from $75. And then you can give the clients as like the prep kits and everything that they need, so then they can. Okay, can you take that off? The kit, you like this kit, like I mean this set right there, and this one, the last one, we want to take it out. The coffin I like. I don't know which shape do you like though. We have the almonds and we have the coffin. Oh, this one, that I make sure I shape all that. and remove all that excess gels in there, and so then it doesn't have the stuff in there, especially when you're doing a clear nails, like a see-through nails. The clients can see that. Make sure that the gels will not stay on. And I'm just shape on the end, the edges, free edges off to make sure it's all even.